As you see, we are here on Quora. We are looking for the questions for us to answer. So we have found this one. As you can see, where do I find a WordPress theme developer? So this person is looking for someone who can develop this WordPress theme. And as we see now, this question, it was posted right now. As you see, you can read here, just now, and not yet. As you see, no answer yet. So how can we answer this question and get some commissions? So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can answer this question in order for you to get some commission. So let's just click here for us to answer this question. All right, this is the question we are going to answer. Welcome back again. So I'm here today. I will show you how you can answer the question, the one we find on Quora, just by using Fiverr. And if this customer makes the payment or purchases something from Fiverr, we will get a commission. So what we have to do is just to come to the Fiverr here, and we can type here the question, this WordPress theme developer. So the person was looking for WordPress theme developer. All right, now we have come to the Fiverr. What we have to do in this place, now we have to look for someone who has more reviews. So as you see here on top of all of this, they got 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. So it means these are the trending gigs. So if someone comes to this and checks, then he will know and understand that these ones are trending gigs. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to select this one shown, this one. So what we have to do is, first, before we select this, we have to take a screenshot of this picture here, or all this interface, in order for us to include in our answer when we answer. So I mean, why we have to add these pictures is because when you add pictures, your answer will get more view from people. Don't just answer, you have to add the pictures. This is one of the tips. When you're answering on Quora or any other platform, you have to add the pictures. So it helps us to get more view. So let's start. What we have to do when you come to this, you have to select one of these ones. As you see now, I have selected this one. So I'm here on this page. So I have selected this one. So what I have to do first, you have to copy this link here on top, this link. So when you copy to this link, so let's copy. Now we have copied this link. You have to come to your affiliate dashboard. All right, so when you come to here to affiliate dashboard, then you just click here and you paste the link. So I have pasted already. You click here any place. So and then you can copy here where is written Fiverr CPM. So we copy here, as you see here, we copy this place here, and then we will add this link together with our answer on Quora. So if the customer comes to this interface here, even if this customer doesn't make the payment or doesn't select this one special this, if in case he comes and he changes his mind, comes to any one of these developers, we will still get commission. And even if these customers, he comes for example for the first day, but he doesn't make any payment or he doesn't inquire any job, if he comes after 20 days or 10 days, we can still get commission, because the cookies of our link, the cooks, they will stay on his platform, on his computer. So we will be able, if this customer comes again after 20 days, 25 days, and makes the payment or inquires any service, then we will get payment. We'll get a payment. So let's go and I show you step by step how you can answer the question on Quora and add your affiliate link. And if the customer comes and make the payment, you will get a commission. So and if you find the value from this tutorial, please let me know something in the comment below. And for more details, I have also left the link in the description below. You can sign up and start doing the same as I'm showing in this tutorial for you to start getting reward straightforward. So let's start. So I'm here again, and as I say, now I have given a short answer to this person here. I said you can find the WordPress theme developer on freelance platforms like Fiverr. As you see here, I have already mentioned this name, Fiverr. So what we have to do, we have to light this little and bold. Then we come to this place here for us to add our link. Now we have added our link. This is the link. So as you see here, if the person comes and click here, then we will get a commission, even if this customer, even if he doesn't make the payment straight, but we can still, if he comes again, we can still get some reward. All right, now let's just add our pictures, the one that we took from there, in order for us to add there, so we can get more view from. All right, this is the pictures we took there, the screenshot, and we have to add this. All right, and then we have just to give a preview, some introduction. When you come to the Fiverr, you will see something. You will see interface like this. You will see interface like this below, and from there from there you can select which one you want to give your offer. That's all. All right, we just say this. When you come to the Fiverr, you will see interface like this below. All right, and from there you can select which one you want, which one you want to give your offer. All right, now what else can we say? We can just say something here like have a great day. All right, that's all. Now we have gave our short answer, and we have also recommended Fiverr. If this customer comes to the Fiverr and make the payment, then we will get a commission, straightforward. So let's post and see. All right, we have posted our answer. As you see now, click here. Okay, as our answer is already live. So if this person comes to the Fiverr and makes the payment, we will get commission. So thank you very much for watching this, and if you like this, please let me know something in the comment below, and I will really appreciate.